Hello beauties, welcome back to Raqreview. Today's unboxing is Coach from the boutique. Picked this up. I've been eyeing on this for a year. And yes, here she is. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you're my returning subscriber, hello, welcome back. I'm already starting. So here's the items. She's packed. As you can see, I'm not going to show this portion. That's the product information if you're interested. But let's unpack her. Here she is. She's so plush, beautiful. Couldn't stop touching her. She's just so smooth. Look at this leather. I believe this is Napa leather. So plush. I was showing you how plush this bag is. Very well made. Here's how she looks on the top. Here's the front. Here's the bottom. Smooth leather. Here's the side. And here's the other side with the black tag and gunmetal hardware. So pretty. This black on black. Has the Coach logo here on both sides. It is both removable on each side, as I show you here. And you have this beautiful leather, Napa leather pull tab, beautiful gunmetal C logo, and it's plain on the back with all that plush quilted leather hard bag. Here's the product information again in case you missed it the first time. And let's count how many holes. I'm counting 5 holes, adjustable. This hits right in my hip, which is great. Perfect hit on my 5/4 frame. And here I'm trying to show you how it looks inside. As you can tell, it's very well packed. It came with a satin feeling dust bag. And yeah, you can see how well packed she is. Let me just remove these real quick. So packed. Look at this. Even the little side over here, I had to pull those out. So beautiful. It's like brownish burgundy leather interior inside. Love that. Here's the care card, and you have this one pocket for your credit cards or whatnot. It is made in Vietnam, as you can see, and there's the story patch inside. So beautiful. What do y'all think? The main reason I bought this bag is it fits my iPhone Pro Max. This iPhone Pro Max case was made of rubber, so it was giving me a little hard time. But yeah, it depends on the case, I guess. But voila, it does fit. Compared to my outlet bag I bought 2 years ago, guys, I have not used this bag. I have to bring her out. It's just the fact that it doesn't fit my phone. But I do wear my phone on my pocket sometimes, so I do need to wear this one one day, and that's the reason I have not bought any other hard bag from the outlet, even though they're so beautiful. The fact that I haven't used this is the main reason. So yeah, and let's measure her and why it's not letting me fit my iPhone Pro Max. So here it's showing me it's about 7 inches, and this one's about over that, 7.5, I think. That's why my iPhone Pro Max fits. So it's 7.5 in length. And then on height, this one's only 6 inches. I'm using the widthest or the longest part of this bag, 6.75. So this is slightly bigger, and it does help because that's all I needed. 2.75 on width for the black bag, and the outlet bag is 2.5 inches. Again, this outlet bag was 2 years ago. I believe it's all the same shapes. They look like they're all the same shapes from the outlet bag. But yeah, here's how she looks. And this outlet bag comes with this top handle, which I love. This one did not, which is fine. And then this one has double zip. It has a front and back pocket, and it comes with this half chain, half leather strap. And this one just comes with the black leather to go with the black on black. Super beautiful. Which one do you guys think? And this one came with the heart charm. which does not anymore, I believe. And this bag I paid regular price. I did watch this for a year, so it didn't come down. So what do you guys think? Both stand on its own. And I love the bag. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you all for watching. And you have a great day. Bye. Until next time, comment down below which bag you like and which one you have. If you love heart bags. Bye. And don't forget to check out my other videos and playlists.